Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to delete or uninstall multiple apps at the same time in any Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, firstly connect your Android smartphone with the internet connections, or if you have a mobile internet, then just turn on the mobile internet firstly. Then after that, what you need to do, you need to open the Play Store. Now you can see here on the left top corner 3 horizontal lines. Just tap on it. Now under this option, the first option you can see here, my apps and games. Just click on it. Now here, just after the updates, you can see our option install. Just tap on it. Now under this install section, you can see a storage, right? Just tap on it. Wait for a few seconds until all the application gets loaded. Now you can see the applications has loaded. So now the applications you want to delete it, just select those applications. So just let me select some applications. Say I want to delete some application like Snapseeds, YouTube Musics, even Spotify. So I want to delete these 3 applications. So now below you can see here pre-up space, that is my size of my application total is 442 MB. So the 3 applications which I have selected, as you can see here, Snapseed, Spotify and YouTube Music. Once I click on pre-up, it will ask you, are you sure? Then just click on pre-up. Just click on it. Voila, all the 3 application has been removed. Just wait for a few seconds. So you can see here from the home screen the YouTube Music has gone, and as well as the 3 application like Spotify and as well as the Snapseeds applications has been removed at the same time. So in this way you can delete or uninstall multiple apps at the same time in any Android smartphones very easily just by going to the Play Store. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today, and it will be very useful since it does not require any third-party applications to perform such multiple app uninstallations in any Android smartphones. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.